So just give me a self-intro about yourself. Continue with your family background and just conclude with your short-term goal and long-term goal, and also add your strength and weakness.
Yeah, okay, sure. Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jyotika. I recently graduated from Bachelor's of Engineering from St. Joseph Institute of Technology from the Department of Electronic and Communication Engineering. I currently hold a CGPA of 8.8. During my coursework, I have completed several projects depending upon my domain, like using embedded systems and IoT. Other than that, I was involved into data visualization, where I created interactive dashboards using Power BI. Then here I am pursuing full stack development course, and at the current stage, I have completed front-end development, which includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To see about my strength, I am effective in communicating, and I am a good team player. Like, I can collaborate with team and work hard, and involved in projects. To see about my weakness, I am bit in lagging in time management. Like, when I focus in multitasking, I tend to lose track of time and be more focused on work, and more than concentrating on time. To see about my family background, I come from a nuclear family. My father works as an accounts officer. My mother is a homemaker. I have an elder sibling. He is working in he is working as a software engineer in Athena Healthcare. To see about my short-term goal is to attain an good position in a reputable company, where I can involve my technical skills and expand my hands-on practices and experience. And my long-term goal is to achieve a good leadership quality, which in which I would like to manage teams and projects, and help others also to manage activities. Thank you.
So actually, I have mentioned about the internships that I have done somewhere.
Yeah.
So could you please give a small explanation about what are the internships that I have done?
As you see, I come from electronic communication domain. I completed projects internships in Bharat, which is like BSNL. There I learned about telecommunication, where how telecommunication has grown from 1G to 5G, where we are using the networks. That's those things. And in Pantech, I created a system using sensors. As I mentioned, smart home automation using Raspberry Pi, where I use Raspberry Pi to embed codes, and we can use it for automation intruder alarms.
Okay. So also since you have mentioned about you've used SQLs, and for front end you're using HTML, CSS, and also you've done a projects in the Power BI using
Yes.
Okay, so in Power BI you made a dashboard.
Yeah.
Did you integrate the dashboard with your SQL server, or else you just made
no, sir. It was just a friend. I did a dashboard in my workshop, sir. It was only about 5 to 10 days. In that, we just imported Excel files into Power BI and created a dashboard, sir.
Okay, so I have not integrated the SQL with
yes,
the
sir.
servers with your Power BI. So fine. So you have done 2 different projects in the Power BI, right?
Yes,
from a data analysis from Walmart and COVID analysis dashboard. So could you please give a brief explanation about the COVID analysis dashboard? So what are the deep insights that you have done in the Power BI?
Yeah, okay. If it's going to be dashboard about COVID analysis, there we collected data among the hospitals, like the bed reservations and the patients who were affected in an area. It was the count and the area's population and the count. We just input versus table, the total ratio versus the people affected over there.
Okay. So fine, you have done a basic dashboard,
Yes.
You have not used any how many deaths have been done, how many
no, sir, not
recovered.
into depth, sir. I have created different line graphs, bar graphs, then interactive dashboards, but not in depth.
In depth concept,
Yeah, I
you
want
have
to
not
learn
done,
it
right?
more.
You just use the hospital data zone.
Yes, sir.
So fine. Okay, other than that, everything is fine. So just conclude with these things and your resume. So just give me a self-intro about yourself.